Hello everyone. In our yesterday's class, we have learnt about the basic concepts of geometry like line segment, trace, point, intersecting lines, perpendicular lines. Okay, in today's class, we will be learning about divisibility rules. What are divisibility rules? Okay, if a large number, if a big number is given, we have to know, like to check whether the given number is divisible by 2, 3 or any numbers which are from our divisibility rules. To test that, we have few divisibility rules. Okay, how to check this divisibility rules, how they are helpful. Okay, if a big number is given, instead of doing the whole division to find whether it is exactly divisible or not for the given number, in simple we have shortcuts, that is divisibility rules, to find out the number is exactly divisible by the numbers or not, by the divisors or not. Okay, what are the rules? First one is divisibility rule for 2. Okay, if any bigger number is given, for example, even if a number is given in lakhs of crores, okay, if this number is given, if they asked us to divide it with 2, okay, instead of doing, like, if they asked us whether it is exactly divisible by 2 or not, instead of doing the whole division, we can in simple say it is divisible by 2. How? If in a number the last digit is 2, 4, 6, 0 or 8 are there, then that number will be exactly divisible by 2 for sure. Because as we know, like in 2 table we'll get the same thing. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. That means 0 again. 2 6 are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. That means the last digits of the 2 number, like the 2 table, is there's only 5 digits. That means if any number which ends with these 5 numbers, then that number will be exactly divisible by 2. Let us check whether this number is divisible by 2 or not, just by doing it in a simple way. 2 7s are 14, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and 2 8s are 16. Nothing is remained, therefore hence it is exactly divisible by 2. This is the rule for divisibility for 2. Okay, if any number is ending with 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, then that number will be exactly divisible by 2. In simple, we can say is all the even numbers will be divisible by 2. Okay, as we have already learned this in the learned it while learning about even numbers. All the even numbers will be exactly divisible by 2. That means it leaves a remainder 0 when it is divisible by 2. Now, divisibility rule for 3. Okay, if any number 736 is a number, okay, whether it is divisible by 3 or not, instead of doing it with the actual division method, what we have to do is, this is a number. Okay, so what we have to do is, you have to take the sum of the numbers, that is 7 plus 3 plus 6. Okay, what will be the sum of this? 16. Check whether 16 will be divisible by 3 or not. It is very easy to calculate, like divide this number with 3 than this one. Okay, we can easily say that this number is not divisible by 3. Let us take it as 5. Okay, and here also we'll get 5. The sum is 15. 15 is divided by 3. 3 5s are 15. Therefore, this is also divided by 3. Let's see how. 3 2s are 6. 1 remains. 3 4s are 12. 1 remains. 3 5s are 15. Therefore, 735 is exactly divisible by 3. We can easily say in this way. Okay, this is for 3. For 2, the last digit of the number should end with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. And for divisibility rule, the sum of the given numbers should be divisible by 3. Now, divisibility rule for 4. If the last 2 digits of a number is divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. For example, if it is like 1749876. Okay, assume this number. Okay, if the last 2 digits are divided by 4, then it is easily divisible by, it is exactly divisible by 4. Let us assume 76 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4, 3, 6, 4 nines are 36. Therefore, this whole number is also divisible by 4. Let's see how. 4 fours are 16, 1 will be remain. 4 threes are 12, 2 will be remain. 4 sevens are 28, 1 will be remain. 4 fours are 16, 2 will be remain. 4 6 are 24, 3 will be remain. 4 nines are 36. Therefore, hence this number is exactly divisible by 4. This is a rule for divisibility rule for 4. Now divisibility by 5. If you take 5 table, all the numbers whatever you take will end with 0 or 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 0, 5, 0, 5. It will be in a repeated mode. So any number which will end with 0 or 5, then that number will be definitely exactly divisible by 5. This is a divisibility rule for 5. Now divisibility rule by 6. Okay, if you check any number which is divisible by, like, if the divisibility rule is applicable for both 2 and 3, then that number is exactly divisible by 6. For example, if you take 36, as we know, like, the last number is what? 6. That means even, which is in the rule of 2. Okay, so this is what? 6. 6 is so this 36 is divisible by what? 2. As well as 36 is divisible by 3, because 3 plus 6 is equals to 9. 9 is also divisible by 3. Therefore, it is 36 is divisible by 2 and 36 is divisible by 3. Therefore, 36 is divisible by 6. 6 6 are 36. This is a simple example for divisibility rule for 6. Okay, repeating all the divisibility rules. Okay, divisibility rule for 2. If any number is ending with, okay, the last digit of any number is 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, then that number is divisible by 2. Okay, in simple, if any even number is divisible by 2. Now, divisibility rule for 3. If any number, if the sum of the given number is divisible by 3, then that number, the whole number is divisible by 3. For 4, if the last 2 digits of the given number is divisible by 4, then that number is divisible by 4. And for 5, a number which ends with 0 and 5 will exactly is exactly divisible by 5. Next, 6. If a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then that number is divisible by 6. We will be learning about divisibility rules of 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 in the next class. Thank you.